Let's look at how we can change and edit the text in our design. Simply click on the design or the text that you want to edit, and you can see here you can have a drop-down menu where you can choose different fonts. So you'll notice that if you have this little symbol here, that is for the Canva Pro. So anyone that doesn't have that symbol, you can use for a free account. So if I wanted to change the font to this, you could see I have the option to change that there. Now, if you want to change the size, you can click on this and you can change the size by just simply doing that, or you can use the plus and minus buttons as well. The other options that you have with the text is to change the color. So if you go to text color here, you can see it will give you the option to match the document colors there. You can use some of the colors in the photos, and that will help you just change that to anything you want here. You can bold it, italicize, underline, put a strike through, or you can change the case of it as well. So that is how you can change that text. You can also change adding a shadow, a lift, anything here. If you want to add a background to it, you can change the color right here of the different background to that. And you can also change the spacing. If you want these letters to be further apart, you can move that. If you want them to be closer together, if you want the two lines to be further apart or closer together, you can change that as well. You can change the alignment here, and this will change it to uppercase, which it already is here if you wanted to do that. The other option, if I move this kind of out of the way here, is if you wanted to change the font for the entire design, you could click here and say here, I want to change this one, but I want everything that had the original font to also change. I can just click change all, and then you see it changes it throughout the whole document so that you don't have to do it on every single page.